Be the Math presents solving one-step equations using multiplication and division. Two times 4 equals what value? This says we have two groups of 4, so we would have a total of 8. Eight divided by 2 equals what? We have two groups, and we put the apples into two equal groups, so we have 4. The goal of solving any equation is to find the number that one variable is equal to. 4x means 4 times a number, and n divided by 4 means the n is divided by 4. Multiplication and division are inverse operations. This just means that they reverse whatever action the other operation has taken. In the problem, 3x equals 9, it says 3 times some number x equals 9. We have 3 groups of x, and if we divide one side into groups, we must also divide the other side into the same number of groups. As an example, dividing our problem onto two sides and using balls, put one in each group until we end up with 9 total, and then we can see that 1x has a group of 3 balls. Therefore, x equals 3. The operation used is multiplication. We can undo multiplication by dividing. So if we divide each side by 3, we can get the same answer because 3 divided by 3 is 1, and that leaves x equals 3. In the problem 2n equals 6, take 6 puppies for example, we separate the puppies into 2 equal groups. We can see that one group is 3. Divide by 2 on each side. The 2's cancel, and we end up with n equals 3. In a division problem, it just says a number is divided by 5 or into 5 groups, and each group contains 2 items. Your task is to find out how many items you started with. Setting up our 5 groups, we have to put 2 items each. I chose bananas. Each group has 2 bananas, so counting them, you can see that there are 10 bananas. Since this is a division problem, we can use multiplication to solve it. Remember, what you do to one side, you must also do to the other. So we multiply both sides by 5. Our 5's on the left cancel, leaving x, and 2 times 5 is 10. It's the same process as using the groups. Multiplying reverses the division. Reciprocals are important when you have fractions. Reciprocals are 2 fractions that multiply to equal 1. Take 7/8 and 8/7. When you multiply across with the numerators, you get 56. With the denominators, you also get 56. Therefore, they equal 1. Reciprocals are the fraction flipped over. The numerator and the denominator switch places. In the problem 3/4 x, equals 69, it's harder to model. But understanding reciprocals, you can solve it by multiplying both sides by 4/3. The 4's and the 3's will cancel, and so x equals 92. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and email me with any video requests at bethemath@gmail.com.